and okay, guys, I'm Jules. You know it already. I need to wake you up a bit. Yesterday night, I heard that I could speak here today, so I said, okay, why not? And why? Because I think every opportunity to speak is a good one, just to try. And I didn't know really what to speak, and someone said, okay, you are going to speak about that, and I took this idea. So now it's a bit of improvisation. I have a few points to say. And the first one is speaking is one of my passions. I'm going to talk about two passions. And speaking is my passion. Last week I gave a training about public speaking. And I told the guys, first of all, identify why do you speak. Then prepare what you're going to speak. And then get the attention. And so, being here, now I'm training myself. And you said, go out of your comfort zone. So I'm here, I go out of my comfort zone. I don't know exactly what I'm going to say, but I'm here. I invite you guys, it's my first message, to try. And maybe after me, now start to think about something, or no, nothing. Just come after me and say something. So this is the first message. Because I love speaking, it started in esteem actually. I applied for a position, I had to speak in front of 300 people in English. I did it, and I didn't know it was like, wow, many people. And then it happens, and I loved it. And then, last year, I spoke at a TEDx conference. Do you know TED, guys?
Yeah.
And it was very an opportunity, just like this. Like, I saw student competition gain a spot for a TEDx conference. I said, okay, I'll try. And the theme of the TEDx was follow your dreams. What is my dreams? I thought for a second it was obvious.
Speak.
No, it could be one, but no, this one is rather a short dream. But I thought about a united multicultural world. This means, I spoke about this at the TEDx conference, and it means that the difference is everywhere around us in the world today. We have to embrace it. We have to like it and to go through it. But it's easy for ST people and for best people to understand. But we have to share this message. The people are different in front of us, but together we are much stronger. And we need to go out of our comfort zone and try to go for it. This is one message. And how do I do it? And what my tips I can share? Maybe you heard since yesterday, I talked to some people in some languages. Yes, I love to do it because it's also my second passion, languages. So I just go, and for example, I talk to Portuguese, hey, tudo bem, eu sou brasileiro, eu venho do Brasil. Para los españoles, puedo hablar de mi viaje en México, que fue hasta 3 veces, 3 años antes. Y fue de mochilero, solo así, un mes, todo México y Guatemala y todo. 有没有一个人说法语？没有。没有问题。Nem vagyok magyar, francia vagyok. Afinazin, Kishiula Walu, Anabrit. No. Now we'll laugh. Okay, it's enough. I can go a bit. But I don't want to show off here. What I want to show is I made some people laugh here, you know? And it's the first way to communicate with people. When you go in a foreign country, if you don't speak their language, you don't speak English, you don't go to them, you will stay as a foreigner. But if you learn a few words, just a few words, to get into their world, you directly connect to them. I spoke a bit of Chinese. When I arrived in China, I speak that to them. I said, wow, so nice. And so directly there is a connection, you know. And I want to invite you to do this. I'm not a great guy because I speak so many languages. No, it's just a technique which is great. Learn a few words and go for it, and make friends and embrace the difference. Thank you.